This is my Shoei RF1400.
I've had this helmet for about 5 years, so it's time to replace it with something new.
The RF1200 was such a good helmet to me, I figured the only logical choice was to bump up to the 1400 with this white, red, and green Tony Soprano approved colorway. But before I put it on the street, there are some upgrades I'd like to make.
I'm gonna start out with removing the padding and lining of the helmet. You can't be a cool motorcycle content creator with this clear visor, so let's get rid of that. I'll be swapping my Pack Talk Bold off of my old helmet onto this new helmet. At this point, I just can't imagine riding without music or comms. Next up, my motovlogging microphone. Now that I've got the wiring for my microphone and my Cardo installed, I'm going to start reinstalling foam. Got our GoPro mount from Chin Mount, got this sweet red and gold visor.